Find Z parameter for the network shown, and also find Y and H parameters for the circuit shown. This will be asked for 10 marks. In the given network, we have one dependent source, which is current source. Arrow mark is there. Diamond shape is independent dependent source. Arrow mark indicates it's a current source. It depends on I1. It is a current dependent current source. We need to find Z parameters as well as Y and H parameters. So I think you can convert. You can have three mesh, no problem here. So here this is a mesh one, mesh two, and mesh three. It becomes complicated. I think you can still make the circuit still simple by converting this current source, dependent current source, into, because it is parallel with resistance, so we can consider as a current source with parallel resistance. Again, we can convert into voltage source. Arrow mark set plus should be there, and the value of current source is I into R, that is this current value multiplied by this. 0.9 into 10 is 9. 0.9 into 10 is 9. So this is zero point 0.9 I1 into resistance value is 10. So it becomes 9 I1, and same value of resistance we can connect in series. Okay, same value of the resistance we can connect in series. Now circuit is simple. You can write mesh currents in the two-port networks. I am repeating again and again. Direction of the current of I2 is towards the node. I1 this side, I2 this side. In two-port network diagram, you see this is I1, this is I2. So you have to apply KVL for mesh 1, and you have to apply KVL for mesh 2. It's a voltage source. So from the diagram you can see V1 is equal to drop across 1 ohm plus drop across this. Okay, sum of resistance in mesh 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2 I1, and actually opposite current you have to subtract, but here no opposite current, it is downwards only. So it is the net current in this one is I1 plus I2. This is I1, this is I2. Both will get added, plus 2 minus, plus 2 minus. So you have to, instead of subtraction here, you have to add. So you can write KVL like this. Okay, minus to plus, minus V1 plus 1 into only one current, that is I1. Here it is given I1 plus 1 into, here two currents I1 and I2, both are coming down, so both will get added. I1 plus I2. So 1 I1 plus 1 I1 is 2 I1 plus 1 into I2. So I2. So equation number 1 is correct. And apply KVL for mesh 2. Apply KVL for mesh 2. Mesh 2 is this side. Here also if you apply this voltage, okay, this voltage will be equal to sum of this. So it is plus to minus. So 9 I1. This is also plus to minus 10 I2. And this is also plus to minus 1. But here current is both currents I1 plus I2. Will get like, even if you apply KVL like this, same expression only you will get. You can try in your notes. Okay, 9 I1 plus 1 I1 is 10 I1. 10 I2 plus 1 I2 is 11 I2. Okay, so this is equation number 2. So here you can see V1 and V2 are expressed in terms of I1 I2 directly. V1 and V2 is expressed in terms of I1 I2. So no need to write third mesh. If three meshes are there, we have to obtain expression for I3 and substitute in equation number 1 and 2. But here once you apply KVL, we are directly getting expression of V1 and V2 in terms of I1 and I2. So directly we can tell that Z11 is 2, Z12 is 1, Z21 is 10, Z22 is 11. So we obtain Z parameters immediately. And you have to write unit of this one is ohms. You can write here separately also. Z11 is equal to 2 ohms, Z12 is equal to 1 ohm, Z21 is 10 ohms, Z22 is 11 ohms. You also have to find n's, find the y and z h parameters. No? For that you should know this y in terms of z and h in terms of z. So that is available in the my YouTube channel. You can see it. So you can write delta Z from the original Z matrix, find determinant of that matrix. It is 11 into 2 is 22 minus 10. 22 minus 10 is 12. And y11 is, okay, y11 is z22 by delta z. Z22 is 11. 11 by delta z is 12. Okay. And y12 is minus z12 by delta z. Minus 1 by delta z is 12. Y21 is minus z1 by delta z minus delta 21 is 10 by delta z, and y22 is z11 2 by delta z. Similarly, h parameters delta z value is same. So h11 is delta z by z22, h12 is z12 by z22, h21 is z21 by z22, h22 is equal to 1 by z22. So this also you can see the video zh in terms of z. Thank you.